We're back to challenges, y'all. What if improving your health wasn't something you had to do alone? What if, instead, you could join challenges that make the journey fun, motivating, and shared with others just like you? Today, we're diving into interactive health challenges you can start right now. And guess what? We'll take on these challenges together. Yes, you heard that right. So let's get started. Welcome back to Health Code. One of the biggest struggles in health and wellness is staying consistent. But when you have a community supporting you, suddenly the process becomes more exciting, motivating, and sustainable. That's why today we're rediving into interactive health challenges you can start right now. Challenges that we all take on together. Before we dive into the challenges, let me ask you something. Have you ever been on a health journey alone, struggling to stay motivated? Or maybe you've tried to rally your friends for support, but different lifestyles got in the way. Either way, we've been there. But then imagine this, a workplace wellness program that unintentionally transforms into a step challenge. Suddenly, work breaks are filled with friendly competitions to see who can rack up the most steps. People bond over their love for fitness trackers. And the atmosphere shifts from casual colleagues to a team united by a common goal. As the month progresses, something incredible happens. Sarah, who initially joined for the challenge, starts feeling healthier and more energetic. Her 10,000 steps a day become a habit. She finds solace in the step challenge during stressful times. James, the notorious coffee drinker, discovers the benefits of staying hydrated. He ditches the soda and starts carrying a water bottle everywhere. His coworkers notice his radiant skin and improved mood, and many follow suit. Even John, who is skeptical about tracking his steps, finds himself getting excited when he hits a personal best. He realizes the friendly competition isn't just a distraction, it's a game changer for his health. At the end of the month, the step challenge concludes with a celebration. Not only has Sarah shed pounds, improved her mood, and boosted her energy, but she's forged meaningful connections along the way. James finds new friends through their shared water drinking goals, and John embraces technology in his health journey. The once competitive spirit has evolved into a supportive network, proving that challenges can be the catalyst for real change. Now that you know the power of challenges, let me introduce you to some exciting options that can kickstart your health journey today. 1. 10,000 steps a day challenge. This is a classic for a reason. It's simple, effective, and free. Walking daily not only boosts heart health, but also clears your mind. Set a reminder on your phone for 10 a.m. and aim to reach 10,000 steps by 6 p.m. If you need more motivation, pair up with a friend and share your step counts. You can use a fitness tracker or the built-in step counter on your smartphone. And here's a bonus tip. Park farther away from your destination to add those extra steps. You can track your progress by marking your water bottle or using a hydration tracking app. Infuse your water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or mint to make it more enjoyable. 3. Mindful morning challenge. Kickstart your day with mindfulness. Commit to 5 minutes of meditation, journaling, or gentle stretching every morning. This sets a positive tone for the day and improves mental well-being. Share your mindful moment with a friend and ask them to check in on your progress. To make it easier, download a guided meditation app or find a quiet spot in your home. 4. Healthy plate challenge. Make half your plate vegetables. Here's a bonus. Try incorporating a variety of vegetables into your meals throughout the week. Use a sleep tracking app to monitor your progress and share your results with a friend. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your room is dark, cool, and quiet. This challenge is a game changer for boosting energy and overall well-being. These challenges are designed to be simple, yet effective. The true magic lies in sharing this journey with others. Imagine waking up knowing you have a community ready to inspire you. When you share your goals, suddenly it's easier to stick to your plan. Knowing someone is waiting for your update keeps you motivated. Let's embark on this journey together. But how do we make this work? How do we stay consistent and keep the momentum alive? Here are a few tips. First, track your progress. Use journals, apps, or a group chat where everyone checks in daily. Celebrating small wins is important. Whether it's reaching your water goal or completing a full week of steps, celebrate it. Share your achievements in the group chat and shower each other with virtual applause. Support each other. Encourage, comment, and share your journey. Motivation is contagious when it's shared. Now, here's an idea. What if we all commit together right here and now? Check in right here in the comments below. Let us know which challenge you're taking on and how it's going. Let's create a community of support and accountability. If you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Code for more health and wellness tips. And if you're ready for even more inspiration, check out this video right here for practical tips to transform your health. Now let's head back to our challenges. As you participate, you'll realize something. Health doesn't have to be a solo mission. By taking on challenges together, you stay accountable, you stay motivated, and you make the process fun. Whether it's walking, drinking more water, eating better, or sleeping more, it all adds up when done consistently. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. Every step, every glass of water, every healthy meal, and every restful sleep is a step in the right direction. Embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and embrace the support of our growing community. Together, we can achieve amazing things. Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, more energy, and a renewed commitment to your health goals. The Mindful Morning Challenge is your gateway to achieving just that. In a world that often feels like it's moving at a million miles an hour, taking a few moments for yourself might seem like a luxury. But the truth is, it's an essential investment. Think about it. When's the last time you woke up without checking your phone first? Our lives have become intertwined with notifications, emails, and messages that the quiet moments are often lost in the shuffle. But here's the catch. Those quiet moments are precisely where the magic happens. They hold the power to shape your day, your mood, and ultimately your life. Why, you might ask? Because in those quiet moments, you reconnect with yourself. You tune out the noise of the external world and tune into your inner rhythm. This daily practice can significantly impact your life. It reduces stress, enhances focus, and boosts creativity. Plus, it's a wonderful way to show yourself some love and self-care. So how does one begin? Well, it's simpler than you think. Commit to 5 minutes of mindfulness every morning. Meditate, journal, or stretch. Consistency is key. Mark your calendar, set reminders, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. The beauty of this challenge lies in its simplicity. No need for complex rituals or long stretches of quiet. Just 5 minutes. Your 5 minutes to set the tone for the rest of the day. Now, here's where the true magic happens. Invite a friend to join you. Sharing this journey makes it more fun and keeps you both accountable. Imagine waking up together, knowing you each have a mindful morning ritual to look forward to. This challenge isn't just about ticking off a task on your to-do list. It's about cultivating a habit that nourishes your soul and prepares you for the day ahead. It's about finding stillness in the storm and starting your day from a place of calm and clarity. So, are you ready to embrace the power of mindful mornings? Why not give it a try? And remember, you're not alone. There's a community of individuals out there, including us, ready to embark on this journey with you.